Have you ever stopped to think about how you breathe? It's constantly on autopilot. There's a simple rhythm to our lives, something we do over 20,000 times a day, without ever consciously thinking about it for even a moment. What if a single hidden source is responsible for so many of our modern struggles, from persistent anxiety to the constant feeling of being exhausted? You might be surprised to learn that even a very common problem like poor sleep can almost always be traced back to this one simple function. Perhaps the issue isn't a lack of modern solutions, but that we have collectively and simply forgotten the fundamentally correct way to do this. James Nestor's breath takes us on a fascinating journey into the lost art and science of breathing, a function that can transform our health and lives. We'll uncover the hidden causes behind why so many of us are mouth breathers and understand the significant consequences for our overall well-being. You can unlock a world of incredible health benefits by making a simple change to the natural rhythm of how you choose to inhale and then to exhale. Together, we will explore this powerful, forgotten wisdom and unlock the simple secret of how to truly breathe again and feel more alive than ever before. Idea 1. The importance of breathing. Breathing is more than a simple reflex. It's the profound rhythm that orchestrates a symphony of harmony and balance throughout our entire body. When our internal rhythm is off, it creates dissonance and chaos, leading to serious health problems and widespread physical and emotional discomfort. When we're stressed, we take quick, shallow breaths. This sends a signal to our brain that we're in danger, triggering a fight or flight response. Taking slow, deep breaths sends a powerful signal to our brain, telling it that we are genuinely safe, calm, and completely relaxed in this very moment. This simple change helps to reduce stress and can even lower blood pressure. It's a powerful way to bring a sense of calm to the entire body. Your breathing patterns during sleep can significantly harm your rest and may even be a primary contributor to conditions like sleep apnea. Breathing through the nose during sleep is vital, as it filters air and allows your body to achieve a much deeper, more restorative state of rest. Athletes trained to master their breathing, a key way to enhance physical performance by boosting stamina and significantly reducing feelings of fatigue.
Before we continue the video, let's be honest about reading. If you're a visual learner, trying to force your way through a book can be painful. Reading a full book can feel impossible because your brain craves visual stimulation, and words on a page just don't provide that spark. But with the BookWatch app, you can absorb an entire book in just 15 minutes with our animated book summaries. We create engaging visuals that match exactly how your brain works for thousands of books. Start learning the way your brain is truly meant to. Download the BookWatch app free with the link in the description, or search BookWatch in the App Store. Also, if you are enjoying our free content on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Idea 2. Evolutionary shifts. Human evolution over time has fundamentally changed the way we breathe, and this change is especially evident in our facial structure. Built for a different world and a tougher diet, our ancient ancestors had wider faces, flatter noses, and much bigger mouths. Their diets of tough, unprocessed foods required an immense amount of chewing. This constant workout for the jaw was crucial for their development. This powerful chewing led to strong jaws and well-developed facial muscles. As a result, this structure helped to keep their airways wide and open. In contrast, modern human faces have grown taller and narrower, with smaller mouths, and our noses have also become much more prominent. We don't use our jaws much anymore because our diets are full of soft processed foods. Our daily meals are no longer a real workout for our faces. As a result, our jaws are now significantly weaker and less developed, a fundamental change that is bringing unforeseen health implications. This underdevelopment often leads to problems like crowded, crooked teeth and poor jaw alignment. There simply isn't enough space in the modern mouth. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. It deeply affects our ability to breathe properly. This is especially true and problematic for us during our sleep. Narrow faces and smaller mouths make it harder to breathe through our noses. They can cause our airways to become constricted, starving us of oxygen. Idea 4. Breathing techniques. For centuries, people have used breathing for health. These techniques help us tap into our body's natural healing and better manage our stress. Consider pranayama, an ancient yogic tradition. It's the art of consciously controlling your breath and its flow in different ways. When you practice pranayama, you might take slow, deep breaths. You might also alternate nostrils or hold your breath for a few moments at a time. These focused breathing techniques can effectively calm an anxious mind, improve your concentration, and even help you better manage your blood pressure. Then there's Tummo, a Tibetan practice known as inner fire meditation. It uses a special breathing pattern to generate heat within your body. This technique helps you generate warmth in the coldest weather, a stunning demonstration of the powerful connection between your mind and body. Controlled breathing can directly influence our physical state. These ancient techniques showcase the profound link between the mind and body. These methods are more than just ancient rituals. They show how breathing can have real, measurable effects on our health and overall well-being. Idea 5. Carbon dioxide tolerance. We think breathing is all about oxygen, but the carbon dioxide we exhale is just as crucial for our health, creating a delicate internal balance. Carbon dioxide isn't simply waste. It's a key regulator that keeps our blood's pH perfectly balanced so our bodies can function at their best. This gas is crucial for oxygen delivery because it signals red blood cells to release oxygen that nourishes all of our tissues and muscles. Carbon dioxide is a natural vasodilator, so it helps relax and open up blood vessels, which improves circulation throughout your entire body. But modern life can lead to overbreathing as rapid, shallow breaths disrupt this essential and delicate chemical balance in your body. Hyperventilating expels too much CO2, causing a dangerous condition called hypocapnia, where blood CO2 levels fall to critically unsafe amounts. The solution is building CO2 tolerance by retraining your body's respiratory center to be comfortable with higher levels of carbon dioxide. By simply breathing more slowly and lightly, you allow CO2 to build up naturally, restoring its optimal and healthy level in your body. Increasing our tolerance improves oxygen delivery and circulation, helping the body return to its natural and peaceful state of balance. Idea 6. Sleep and breathing. Getting quality sleep is vital for our overall health, and how we breathe at night has a huge impact on its restorative ability. A common problem is sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops and starts again all throughout the night while you are sleeping. This happens when the muscles in your throat relax too much. This relaxation causes a temporary blockage of the airway, stopping all airflow. This results in loud snoring and poor sleep quality, and if left untreated, it can actually contribute to very serious long-term health problems. Mouth breathing is another issue that disrupts sleep. It can lead to a dry mouth and upset the body's delicate oxygen-to-carbon dioxide balance. So the first and most important step is to make a conscious effort to consistently breathe through your nose, not just during the day, but at night too. You can encourage this by practicing conscious nasal breathing during the day. This simple practice helps build the habit for when you're asleep. A more direct method is using special mouth tape at night. This gently holds the lips closed, which forces you to breathe through your nose. Making the simple switch to nasal breathing offers deeper restorative sleep and unlocks truly significant improvements for your overall health. Idea 7. Impact of modern lifestyle. Our modern world of desk jobs, technology, and stress presents challenges our ancestors never knew and is surprisingly changing the way we breathe. We spend so many hours a day hunched over our devices that this slouched posture is becoming our body's new default position. Poor posture physically restricts your breathing, making it difficult for your lungs to fully expand for a deep, complete, and healthy breath. Over time, this can lead to shallow, inefficient breathing. Our bodies are chronically deprived of the full amount of oxygen they truly need. When we are under stress, our breathing patterns change dramatically, taking quicker, shallower breaths that put our entire body on high alert. This frantic breathing throws off the crucial balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Chronic stress can make this harmful pattern a daily habit. Even your diet affects breathing, as a large meal can push on the diaphragm, making it physically more difficult to take a truly satisfying deep breath. Long-term, poor dietary choices can lead to weight gain. This adds another layer of physical restriction that compromises our breathing capacity. Idea 8. Mind-body connection. Our thoughts and emotions are powerfully connected to our physical state, and this link is most clearly demonstrated by the simple act of breathing. When we feel stressed or anxious, our bodies react instinctively. Our breathing pattern shifts, becoming noticeably shallow, rapid, and uncontrolled. When relaxed, our breath becomes deep and slow. This state of calm is reflected in a steady, gentle rhythm that flows naturally through the body. This demonstrates a two-way street. Our mental state affects our breath, but we can also consciously change our breath to alter our mental state. By consciously controlling our breath, we gain direct influence over our nervous system. This simple action can powerfully shift our mood and mindset. Slow, deep breathing signals safety to the body. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest mode, promoting calmness. This physiological shift brings a profound sense of calm to your entire body. It's a natural and effective way to relieve stress and anxiety. Rapid, shallow breathing does the opposite. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, preparing the body for a fight or flight response. Mastering this connection is a key tool for managing stress and improving mental health. It enhances our overall sense of well-being and control.